in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable dynamic messaging in the AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into AOL Mail and select the settings button up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select more settings. On the left side, select the viewing email button. And now over here in the center column, just going down underneath dynamic message, display dynamic email content when available. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the left to disable that. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.